Nobody asked me, but today I am keen to show you how I am making my favorite Easter decorations and a couple of tablescape ideas. My dad always taught me if I want branches with young leaves, I have to get them 3 weeks before Easter. So off we went for a walk in the nature, just a few kilometers from our place, and I would like to share with you the spring sceneries, already full of singing birds and the hikers in the countryside of Luxembourg. It's still chilly here at the moment, but at least we got few sunny days from dusk till dawn, as a break from the usual rain. For my first Easter project, I cut 6 paper stripes. The narrow one I will keep for the handle, and 4 equal lengths I will be sticking on the longest one. Beginning with lining up the top and the corner of the first stripe, and lining the next ones so that they are not overlapping. After gluing all 4 stripes, I'm going to grab now the loose ends, beginning with the first one again, and fold it round, continue on sticking to the base stripe, forming the round shape. For close the circle, I'm joining up the remaining base piece. Afterwards, I'm sticking the handle. It's important to align with the edge of the base, not overlapping it, and making sure that I'm attaching both handle ends across to the same stripe. This basket is really a piece of cake to make, and it can also be used for other occasions. For instance, to carry some little thank you gift, or for insert the glass with the flowers. For this and the next project, I wanted our interior matching colors and probably more adult-looking paper, but this unfortunately is one of the last samples what I could still grab in the local crafting shop, so please bear with me. And now, let's manufacture many cute Easter bunnies. I'm planning to make 10 3-dimensional bunnies for decorate my branches what I brought another day from the forest. Each bunny is made of 3, so I will be cutting 30 pieces of them. The main thing here is to make a symmetrical template, and if you like this shape, you can use mine. I dropped it into my Pinterest, and you would be able to get a print screen. After I have cut enough bunnies, I'm sorting them so that each one had 3 different patterns, and doing my best trying to find the middle of each and making the crease with pointed tool for create the folding line. You also can do it by eyeing, but as I got the shingles instead of paper, I wouldn't be able to make a clean crease the other way. It's a little bit time consuming, but really uncomplicated and affordable decor pieces. For my Easter bunnies, I'm using the rest of paper from the baskets. For both projects, I went with just 6 sheets of crafting paper. After the sticking all sides together, I'm tidying my bunny up for make sure that there are no gaps in between. And here are a couple of tablescape ideas for maybe a branch. Usually my parents would be coming from Lithuania for the Easter, and we would be coloring the eggs on Saturday morning, always way too many. And after the Easter brunch we would be going somewhere or playing a table football and laughing all together. Maybe then the next year. And here are my cute Easter bunnies. I just want to draw your attention to the ribbon. When the branches are still naked, light green color is tricking the eye, and it makes it look like the leaves were already there. What do you say? Was it a matter of effort? I'm always tending to decorate the plates with edibles, because the main idea at a dining table besides the conversation is a food, right? I'm loving simple forms, so here is some very uncomplicated napkin folding. I'm folding the napkin diagonally and then rolling from the bottom to the top, placing in the middle the egg. Tie up the ribbon just above the egg and flopping the ears. For the first look, I have chosen the dark napkins and the chocolate pralines. But I didn't like how they looked like together with the red bunnies and the baskets. If I have been finding the right color crafting paper for my decorations, it might be looking better. So I was thinking to give another shot. Years ago I did the same project, and I guess I can use the bunnies for the next tablescape idea. Some practical tip. The lower plants are better when there are more people at a table, so they can see each other. And probably the white napkins look better also with the red decor. How do you think? How you are preparing for Easter? Leave me a comment down below. So here is pretty much it. I hope you could grab one or the other idea also for your home. And if you were enjoying this video the same as I did making it, please give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, greetings from Luxembourg, and see you in the next one. Eddie!